Hi guys, so if you hear any noises, I do have a contractor here working on my house on like little things. So if you do hear any of that, that's totally normal. I just don't have any other time to film this video for you guys. So I just thought, you know, we'll just ride through it. It's okay. We've dealt with, you know, louder noises than this before. So I just have here my coffee, my little cookie for a little get ready with me with you guys this morning. As you guys see, we have moved. I've been in my new home now for about 2 weeks and it's just been everything. Like I have been just really enjoying like this time like in my home, and the babies seem to like it, even though I do see like they're a little sad sometimes when I go to work because I've been working like a lot lately, you guys. I picked up so many shifts to the point where like my work has sent me an email when I try to pick up more, and they're like, we would love to give you more shifts but we can't because you've taken up a lot and you've been working a lot. So like the last pay period I worked 97 hours about, and then this coming pay period is like over 120 hours, so I work a lot. My doorbell doesn't work, so they're trying to fix that for me right now. I don't really need it that much because I'm getting security cameras, like a system being put in soon, so they already have like a doorbell like with the camera, kind of like a Ring basically. House is a mess, you guys. Like there's boxes everywhere. Like I have been like getting so many boxes to a point where like I was cutting them all down and like the trash just gets full every single week. I think I want to do a different foundation today. I think I want to do the Makeup Forever today. I haven't really used this. I've been using the NARS one a lot, but to be honest with you guys, I don't think I've really had a true chance to enjoy my home just because I've been working so much and like I'm still missing furniture and like other things. I literally like threw out like so much stuff, and I wanted to just start kind of like fresh. Aside from like my vanities and my bed, I did get like a lot of new things because I just wanted fresh everything to go with like the stuff in this home, like the accents in this home. And then my Dyson vacuum cleaner starts to get stuck on me, like the little lever got stuck on me, so now I gotta take it to the Dyson store today before 5 so they could fix it. They don't need an appointment luckily, but it's kind of far. So the service center is kind of far, so I'm gonna try to do that today. At least I don't have to go to the mall to get my Dyson fixed because that mall is crazy busy all the time, and I was like already dreading thinking about like the parking going there. But luckily, since the service center is in a different area, I don't have to worry about that. Hopefully, as long as there's not a lot of people with broken Dysons going to the store and I'm in a long wait. There's so many things I want to buy. My mom's like, just buy slowly. That's like the only reason why I'm working so much, you guys, because I want to just buy everything. Like I feel like I just want to furnish the place and like get little things here and there like now, instead of like buying little by little and having to budget. Like I don't want to do that. I just want to like go all in and do it, and I feel like if I just work more, then I can just do that comfortably, not have to worry, you know. Being a homeowner for the first time is like something else because literally I was showering, like when I was having one of my first showers here, I had no idea how to make the water hotter. I was like, why is my shower like lukewarm? Like this is crazy. I called my uncle and his like the guy that does like the loans at his office. I was like, is something broken? Because my water's not hot. And then they were walking me through like the heater, the heater thing, and I was like, oh, I had no idea. I had no idea. That's how you get it to be hotter. Snow, he's curious. He's like, who's out there? Who's at my house? Look at him. He's like, who's at my house? Snow, stay in here. Okay, stay here. I just don't want him out because like in case they leave the door open, I don't want them to run out. No, but this guy's like really good. He's like, oh, be careful with the door and stuff. Okay, I put on Instagram there's like any specific things to talk about, and then one person asked for home decor. So home decor has been a little hard for me because I have like visions, ideas and stuff, but I it's been so hard to commit to things and like to items and stuff. And I think what I want to do, especially snow, so for home decor, I'm thinking about getting, oh, I can fix the doorbell. Working. But I think I'm going to get my couch first and start with a small couch. I'm gonna get a sectional couch. That's what my heart is set on, is a sectional, because I can always add more to it, versus if I just get like a big couch, then it's like, it's gonna be that big. So I was thinking about getting a small couch first and then seeing how I want to add it, or if I want to rearrange my living room or whatever, I can always add more to it. And the one that I'm really trying to get is the Love Sack one. It's going to be a really good couch to invest in, and I do want to get the reclining like feet rest things and then base the TV size off that, because I was debating between a 75-inch or an 80-inch TV, and my boyfriend and my uncle, the realtor, was like, you need to go big because you want to look like you're in a movie theater. And I was like, but it might make the space look so small, and I want to be able to rotate the TV off the wall and like turn it. So I don't know, but I'm probably gonna get my TV from Best Buy. I got my washer and dryer from Best Buy because they have installation and delivery and stuff. But yeah, but I want to get the couch for sure first, and then the TV after, and then I need to get a TV stand after that. I don't know if I want to do a coffee table. I kind of want to do like one of those little like side tables or something, or like the table behind the couch kind of thing. Because when you first enter, I want to be able to like put stuff down. I don't know. There's like a lot of things like I have plans like for, like I've thought about, but I think I need to get like one thing at a time and like kind of just space around that. And then the dining table is on the last thing of my list, just because I do have a kitchen island. I bought stools. I'm gonna actually try to assemble them today. If not, my cousin said he could come and try to do it for me. I do want to like host a girls' night with the girls from work, and have like a little dinner party or something like that. I'll do like some catering, or I'll cook something, I don't know. But I definitely want to do that because the girls at work have been so supportive for me to like do this big move, and they're really supportive, and they pushed me to like to do this, because I was kind of nervous at first too, and they're like, no, you got it, like, you know, you have this job, and like, you know, you work hard and stuff. And they really supported me on this purchase. And like, I honestly feel like if it wasn't for them, like step by step, and you know, telling me what to expect, what to look for, things like that. I'm on my period, so I am a little bit emotional, but you know, the one thing about doing this alone is kind of scary for me, because I always thought like I was going to buy a home with my husband and like get married, like, you know, we all know I was on that track. Okay, that's just how I feel, and I know it's just like me being in my feelings, and I know my feelings are valid. I know like it's normal to feel this way, and it's okay to feel this way. It's just in that moment, that's how I felt, you know. But yeah, everything's a learning experience for me. For sure, buying this house has been a learning experience for me. I don't have a vacuum in here. The doorbell, baby. Doorbell works. Oh, he fixed the doorbell. Babies. Oh, I love you. I just wish I had more time to enjoy my home, because I just feel like I'm always working and I'm always out, like I'm not home. But yeah, so today's plans is to try to get shit done, because I gotta go back to work tomorrow. I've been so stressed trying to get everything done. My mom said she wants to come over today, hang out, so I told her that's fine. When she gets off work, we can hang out. He was waking me up all morning this morning. I was like, please let mommy just sleep in for one day. Mommy's so tired. Please spare me the screams. I told the contractor if he gets thirsty or anything like that, help him stuff to snacks and drinks. I have the whole fridge full of drinks, and I was like, take anything you like, because I don't know how long he's gonna be here, but I'm thinking he's probably gonna be here for a while, because I needed that doorbell to get fixed and some trim to get touched up on paint, and what else? There was like one more thing. Oh, and then in my shower, there's like some caulking like missing on like the shower, so he's gonna like touch up on that because I noticed that the other day when I was showering. But I feel like I want to do my hair today. I never do my hair. I feel like I never do my hair, you guys. I always keep it straight because like I feel like my hair just looks the best straight. It's okay curly, I mean I don't mind it, but I just think like the straight hair just looks better for me. But like the waves are nice too, like if I just do like messy waves. Like as long as it just doesn't look too like, you know, puffy. I think that's what I don't like is like if the hair looks too puffy. Alright guys, I'm almost done with my hair. I'm doing them in like really big chunks to get them done faster. It's already noon. I slept until 10 today, you guys. I was just like so tired not having it, but after this I'm gonna try to put together my stools. But I probably won't film it because they're working on my house out there, so I just don't want to get other people in the clip. Oh, I want to go to Daiso today. I haven't been to Daiso in a long time. You can get like little home stuff there. They're super cheap. My hair is done. Doesn't look that poofy, but it's just like my bangs kind of like annoy me, but it's okay. I don't think I'm gonna hairspray it because I want it to kind of like fall a little bit like straighter or like less puffy throughout the day, so I'm gonna leave it like this. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and change. I'll be right back and we'll do lipstick and I'll show you guys the outfit. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my lip liner. Oh, this lip liner is not sharpened, but I'll show my lip liner real quick. I forget setting spray every time I do a get ready with me, but then when I get ready like normally without talking to you guys, I always remember, so it's funny. I always forget when I record. Like it's like a soft matte like lippy. I don't have the sticker on anymore. It's like not on the bottom, but it looks like this. I don't know if they sell this anymore. Yeah, so I'm gonna use the all-nighter spray first. Then I have this Soleil Toujours. It's a SPF 30 micro mist. It's a setting spray. It's a set and protect micro mist. This actually went on very nicely. It was a very fine mist, so this is nice if you guys are looking for something that has SPF in it. Alright guys, this is the outfit. I'm just wearing this aloe navy blue top with my Lululemons. I'm gonna wear sneakers, and I brought my Pilates socks in here, the grippy socks. Just thought I would just do my hair and like actually get ready and look like a human being because I'm always in scrubs. But yeah, I'm trying to get back on my workout grind. I fell off a little bit because of everything that's been going on, but I'm gonna be back up there again. But anyway, let's go ahead and enjoy the day. I'll vlog for you guys, so you guys will see that in the next coming video.